Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for TAO price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we're gonna see of course the bullish and bearish scenario in a fast overview here. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 finishing wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario, you would like to see a 3 corrective wave, which is here in this case scenario W for a zigzag and another zigzag for X, and a final zigzag for your wave Y, finishing a wave B or a wave 2, as well of course probable wave A in the magenta scenario. Now after this both case scenario, you would like to see of course higher prices. This is exactly what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and currently we are looking probably to a wave 2, probably finish of course at WXY, very possible, between the perfect fib levels for a wave 2. So your bullish scenario is, of course, you want to seek after an impulse toward the upside for continuation towards a wave 3 towards the upside. In your bearish scenario, you have, of course, a longer correction wave here, as, of course, for your wave A in magenta, you have 3 waves toward the downside, and probably this gonna turn, of course, into a WXY, which is the very last possibility, to be honest, because it looks like a perfect impulse. And then, of course, you're seeking here for another wave Y, which it can be of course 3 waves toward the downside, 3 waves up, and of course a final structure here. It can be a zigzag, it can be a flat, it can be a triangle. In this case scenario, we already got of course our 3 corrective waves, and I think we have hit perfectly our fib level given for this scenario in a corrective wave A, B and a C, hitting perfectly the 0.618 in the blue box. Very nice. And of course, we are looking probably here at a little bit lower prices again. However, we cannot say that 100% now the bearish scenario is playing because of this corrective wave A, B, and a C. It is very possible as well that a leading diagonal might be unfolding here for a wave 1 for your impulse toward the upside, which is your wave 3. So we have to watch this, of course, and be careful with it, what's gonna happen. So if in case we are in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, we are looking right now for a wave 4 to be finished. In this case scenario, your target for a wave 4 would be between the following targets for a wave 4 in a diagonal, which are the perfect targets, already hit between the 0.32 and 0.5 fib level. As you can see, we have a perfect hit so far, probably as ABC. We're gonna check this on the 1 hour chart. Let's see and analyze this one. So as you can see, we have kind of like probably here a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. That looks a little bit impulsive. Let's move even 15-minute chart. Well, a lot of choppiness here. I'm not sure if we can, no, it's not possible to count an impulse here. You have several overlaps with the waves, which of course reduce the possibility of any kind of impulse or even as a leading diagonal, because you have a very longer wave after the start. So very possible that we are corrective here, A, B and a C, somehow like this. And then you are looking for another correction and an impulse toward the downside. By all means, you have 3 waves corrective, another 3 waves corrective, and probably one more wave toward the downside, which is gonna finish perfectly, I mean lower, but still perfectly in 3 wave corrective. Very possible 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 to finish a wave 4 for a leading diagonal, and then continuation towards the upside for a wave 5. That was it for TAO. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.